Most people start the year relying on motivation. They treat their business like a sprint. But if you study in Vedanta or you look at the logic of ancient Indian sciences, you know that the mind is flickering. It is unstable. Relying on motivation to build a business is like building a house on sand. That is why I don't rely on willpower. I rely on automation. I am Ankesh. I run an AI automation agency. In this video, I am going to show you my 2026 protocol. It is the exact system that combines the depth of our ancient culture with the speed of modern tech, that allows me to run the business without becoming a slave to it. I call this approach the Modern Arya. To survive in this new era, you need to hold two weapons simultaneously. First, you need the sword. This is the technical competence. You must master the machine. You must understand how to orchestrate flows, codes, and logic. Without this, you cannot protect your economic freedom. Second, you need the light. This is the spiritual clarity. You must know who is wielding the machine. If you have the light but no sword, you are powerless. If you have the sword but no light, you become a dangerous burnout hustler. We need both. Let me show you what the sword, my automation stack, looks like. Let's look at the engine. I don't hire a massive team of stressed out employees. I hire workflows. This is an atom. Think of this as the nervous system of my agency. Each node represents a task that humans used to do. Sending emails, organizing data, follow-ups, it happens here automatically. This is automation. It buys me the time to sit in the silence. Now for the brain, I use hybrid approach. I use Gemini and Cloud AI for the heavy lifting, strategy, coding complex scripts, and creative work. It's a powerful tool for building a business. But look at this. I also run Ollama locally on my machine. Why? Because a true wire values sovereignty. For sensitive data and private tasks, I don't send it to the cloud. I keep it here. I don't just chat with AI, I automate it. I weave those tools into the system that works for me. So, you have the automation, but how do you stop the machine from consuming you? That brings us to the light. My protocol is simple, but it requires tapasya. Step 1 is modern sadhana. Before I touch the screen, I connect with the source, pranayama, meditation, or just silence. If I skip this, the automation manages me. If I do this, I manage the automation. Step 2 is ekagrata. When I open my laptop, I enter monk mode. I treat building these workflows like a meditation. Because business is Leela, it is a game, and you play the game best when you are calm, not when you are frantic. I am documenting this journey to prove a point. You don't need to suffer to succeed. Our ancient rishis were scientists of inner world. We are now engineers of the outer world. It is time to merge them. I am building an army of enlightened architects. If you're a founder, a developer, or a seeker who wants to master automation without losing your soul, subscribe to this channel. And if you want me to build the sovereign system for your business, check out the link below. Stop grinding, start architecting. Namaste.